What you're really going to learn is how to set up simple little email campaigns that you're going to send out and use to make money. That's where the majority of my income stream from my business comes from, is the emails that I send. Now, you've probably heard before from many different people that the money is in the list. And it's 100% true. There's a reason why everybody says that. So what you are going to learn is how to write these emails and send them out and make money from them. However, these emails are not necessarily going to be super easy to create, especially if you're new to email marketing. So although I'm going to show you and give you my best advice on how to write these, because you're brand new, I can't guarantee that the emails that you write are going to convert that well. So what I've done to make this foolproof for you so that you definitely can figure out a way to set up high converting emails, I've decided to include 40 of my best email marketing campaigns in my business. Now, the email campaigns that I'm providing for you are actually emails that I use that contribute to my $10,000 per month business. These are actually my emails that I personally wrote, and I'm selling them for less than $1 per email. Now, if you thought about that, if you thought about how long it would take you to write one of these emails, because you're brand new, it would probably take you around 20 to 30 minutes per email. But even if you spent that 20 to 30 minutes writing those emails, there's really no guarantee that those emails would convert very well, especially because you're brand new to this. I'm not saying that you won't become an expert at email marketing eventually. I fully intend for you to do that by taking my training. However, to get yourself off to a great head start, to give yourself a shortcut, save yourself hours or potentially days of your time writing these emails, you can copy 40 of my best emails in the next couple minutes for less than $1 per piece. So this is about as great of a shortcut or an opportunity I can offer you after learning the training from 0 Hour Workdays.